YouTube channel, and for today we're going to do the fruit and veggie platter. Before we start, thank you to all my subscribers who subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are watching, don't forget to subscribe. Here are the fruits and veggies I have on my platter. So we have celery, pepper jack cheese, cheddar cheese, carrots, apple, kiwi, strawberry, and grapes. And over here, I have pineapple and orange. Now let me separate them. So first we are going to put all of the celery onto the platter. This looks good, guys. Okay, guys, so now we are going to put all the carrots on here. Ooh. I love carrots, guys. They're my favorite. Comment down below if you like carrots and celery. Okay, now I'm gonna put my strawberries and apples together. Okay, now I'm gonna put the strawberries down. Strawberries are really healthy for you guys. Okay, now I'm gonna put all the grapes on here now. Ooh. Okay guys, so now we are gonna put the pineapple and oranges together. And now we're gonna put the oranges on this side. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put the kiwi in the middle. Whoa guys, look at this! Wow! And now we're gonna put the pepper jack on the plate. And we're gonna put the cheddar cheese on this side. Okay guys, and then after that, we're gonna put the chunky blue cheese inside here. I'm gonna put a tiny bit more, guys. Ooh, this looks chunky, alright. Okay, guys. put these off to the sides. And now, here is the whole thing, guys. Wow! If you're having friends or families over, you can do this for you guys. For your friends and family, and for your lunch. Oh, it's heavy, all right. Let's try one, guys. It's healthy and delicious. I might try an apple. Sometimes I dip apples in ranch because it's really good. You guys, this is incredible. We're going to try a pineapple. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!